I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp as CRM. So if you want to do that, then you can create a dedicated space, add lists, and customize views and statuses. So the first step is to just open your app, which is right over here. Search for it, it's right there, and open it. So the first step is to create CRM space. Just need to be in this action that says space right over here in any of your workspace. And once you're here, just go ahead and tap on add space right over here and just use this as CRM. You can either choose the privacy mode for workspace or private. Since this is a workspace and we're using it as CRM, then workspace is better. Just go ahead and tap on create, and now you have created a space. So the first thing you want to do is add lists. Just go ahead and tap on lists right over here and just go ahead and add them. And in this list, you need to add how to track your deals and about your contacts and other information. You can also add customer statuses or either to do or something else. You can choose to add a column about the due date and the start date and the task date. You can also link deals to contacts and accounts and use ClickUp's relationships custom field to link deals to relevant contacts and companies. Using ClickUp as a CRM will also help you build views, like split your CRM data into views to make it easier to analyze and manage. Through CRM, it will also be helpful to import customer data and create tasks. So in this way, you can successfully use ClickUp as a CRM. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below and let us know what sort of videos you would like. We'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.